Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor AS, and in this video I will be showing you how to set up the face recognition as your lock screen security. This is very useful. It comes in handy. Let's just say you was to leave your device on the table to go upstairs to go use the toilet. It just makes it harder for anybody to get into your device whilst you've gone. So yeah, I highly recommend doing this. It does add that extra bit of security and protection to the device. So yeah, it's real simple to do. All you have to do is pull down the notifications and then go into the settings and then scroll down to where it says security and privacy, and then select face recognition, and then you will have to enter a PIN. Make sure it's a PIN that you can remember. Also write it down to be on the safe side, and then hit the enter. Right, then when you get to this screen, select get started and then select agree, and then just put your face in that little round window there until it says setup complete. And then there you go. So now when you go back to the lock screen, and you look at the device, you have to swipe first and look at the device. It will take you straight in. So let's just try that again. Go back to the lock screen, swipe and just look. It will bring you straight in. Okay, so if I try to look, because my face is not recognized, it will require the PIN code, but my brother's face is recognized, so it will bring him straight in. So swipe and just look at it, it'll bring you straight in. And it's as simple as that. So yeah, this was my video showing you how to set up the face recognition lock screen security on the Honor AS. If this video helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave any comments in the comment section down below. Share the video. Thank you very much for watching. I'm out. It's your boy the Android Doctor. See you in the next video. Deuces.